Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make egg vegetable soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite chopped vegetables, like carrots, spinach, and mushrooms. Next, whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper in a small bowl. Finally, measure out 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring it's ready for the pot. This initial preparation makes the cooking process smooth and efficient. Now, let's start cooking the base. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Pour in the 4 cups of broth, then bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger and a dash of soy sauce for extra flavor. The exciting part is next, adding the eggs. Once your soup is simmering gently, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the pot in a thin stream. As you pour, stir the soup gently in a circular motion with a fork or chopsticks. This technique creates beautiful, delicate egg ribbons throughout the soup. Cook for just about 1 minute until the eggs are fully set, then it's ready to serve. Your delicious homemade egg vegetable soup is now complete. For an extra touch, garnish each bowl with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This soup is perfect for a light meal or a comforting starter. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.